Hi, I'm John Diener. I'm the CEO here at Site Prep. We're celebrating a milestone. It's our 10th year anniversary and it's been quite the journey. Why don't you come be our guests? Come join us. Welcome to our new home.
Hi, welcome to Site Prep. We're glad to have you.
You're up for a treat. We'll have Amish grilled chicken.
Grab a cup of Latte Luv coffee and enjoy an Amish homemade donut and wolf pie.
Also, we'll have fried shrimp, fries, crunchy.
Bring the whole fam. We'll have a bounce house for the kids. We'll have live music that you can enjoy.
This Saturday, October 26th, from 9 to 2, come and join us.